Web Designer Beginners to Advanced Part 2.
So very first I am taking a selector called header. This will be having some class called header left. Okay. Inside this I am taking anchor link for the logo. So here I am putting A and hitting tab. It will get expanded beautifully. Inside this I am putting class called logo, which is not existing anywhere. I'll be styling it later on in the style.css. Now I am putting heading tag like h1, and this will be having also the class called logo text. Friends, you can put any class name, but make sure to call the same class in the style.css to target that. Now inside this I am putting I tag for the icon. Okay, here inside this I am putting class. This time we are gonna putting ion icons, which is here. So we have to just put the class for the icon and it will get targeted or called there. Let me show you. As you can see, I am on the page ion icons. All the icons are available here. Simply you have to click over that and just make sure to copy and put there. I'll be showing you. Simply press Ctrl plus F, okay, and here I am mentioning keypad, or I am just finding here keypad. Or you can click on any icon and simply put there. It's up to you totally. Here. So I'm clicking on this icon, okay, and you can see the code is very below available. Make sure to copy this from here. Okay. Coming back to the class, pasting here, Ctrl V, and let's have a look. Friends, you can notice at the very right side at the top we have live preview option. Clicking on it and let you know how it's coming there. As you can see, the logo is visible here. It's cool. Now after the anchor link, I'm gonna putting mobile toggle menu. If I show you, I'm decreasing its browser size. And you can see we are getting this horizontal bars. This is called mobile toggle menu. And when I'm clicking on it, our sidebar is coming up. So for this, I'm gonna using some span tag to create this beautiful 3 horizontal bars for the mobile device. For this, I'm taking anchor link. Okay, anchor link will be having some class like side menu, btn. You can put any class name. ID I'm putting here side menu underscore toggle. Inside this I'm putting a span tag 3 more times for the 3 lines there. Okay, if I show you, will get nothing because this is not a styled anywhere. This is simple markup. Okay, so we'll be styling it later on to make the 3 horizontal bars there for the mobile toggle. Now we are gonna working for this menus like home, and it is containing the logo, not logo, it is containing the icon. So for this we are gonna creating right now. Just after the anchor closing tag, okay, here I am putting class called site name. Friends, here I am just mentioning dot on the class name. After mentioning, hit the tab and it will get expanded. So why we are getting this? Because we have enabled a plugin called emmet. That's why it's working like this. Now we need to create the navigation menus. So whenever you will have to create the navigation menus, make sure to put lia. Why? Because if you don't put anchor link or a, it will not be clickable. So make sure to put anchor link as well with li. So here I am putting ul on our list. It is containing some class called site main menu. Inside this I am putting li will be having anchor link obviously. Okay, and inside this I am putting I tag for the icon. This will be having some class for the icon. Okay, so here I am putting iOS home outline. So it will be showing the icon of the home there. Now also I need its name. So here I'm taking a span tag and putting its name like home. Let's have a look. Yep, as you can see, the icon is coming up with the name. So similarly, we'll keep duplicating it multiple times as much we needed. Okay, so here we have li, simply taking extra space, making a copy of this whole li and pasting below. Here we'll change the icon class name. This will be about. And right now we have to work for the rest, menus and the icon as well. Friends, how I am putting all the classes for the icon. Simply you can go to the its website called ion icons here, and you can see all the icons are available here. Simply you have to click on the icon and you will see the class for that specific icon like this, as you can see. So similarly like this you can put there. I have known that what the class for the specific icon, that's why I am putting there. Okay, now let's have a look. Yep, friends, all the icons are visible here. It's looking kind of cool, but not like that as I have shown you earlier. Okay, so for now we have done the logo and the sidebar areas. Now this time we have to work for its pages. Let's have a look. We have worked for this simply markup. Now we have to work for its pages. If I click on this pages or the menu, you can see our page is coming like this. So this page right now I'm gonna creating. Simply we'll put some section and the ID. That's all. Anyhow, we have to make this first, then we can go for the pages which are available here. Okay, so let's create the page. First, I am removing extra space which we don't need now. Okay, after the header, we will... Hi, welcome back friends. In this class, I'm gonna creating this beautiful sidebar which is containing the logo and beautiful navigation menus. Okay, so this sidebar I'll be creating right now in this class, and also there's menus containing transition page. If I click on the menu, you can see our page is coming like this by having some transition effect. So in this class, very first I'll be creating this beautiful sidebar which is containing the logo at the very first, then menus name with icons. Okay, so let's get started. Friends, I have created a new folder called website trends. Inside this, I have put all the datas like image and JavaScript, and also I'll be putting all the index page, CSS page inside this. So this folder called website trends I'll be using throughout this course. Right now we need the browser, web browser, so you can download Google Chrome, and also we need some text editor. Okay, so we have brackets. For downloading this, simply come to the Google. Okay, search brackets.io like this. After searching, you will be referred to this page. Very first we have button called download. Click on this and it will start downloading. Once it will be downloaded, simply install it and follow this course. So right now I am on the brackets. Here I have enabled a plugin called emmet. See here. For enabling it, simply come to the right side, very second option, we have extension manager. Click on it and simply search here the plugin called emmet. Emmet is actually a plugin which saves your time. Okay, see here. Say for example, I have already enabled here. We have enabled here auto save every edit, so you don't have to press Ctrl or Command plus S to save all the time. It will automatically save your files. And also I have added here Emmet. Emmet is actually a plugin which makes your coding speed even more faster. I'll be showing you how you can do that. Simply come to the search and search here Emmet. After searching, just install that by clicking on the install button at the very next to that. Okay, now here very first we need index page like HTML page and CSS page. So here I am coming inside the file menu, clicking on the new. Now I am saving this file in the same folder like website trends. Here very first I am giving index.html. Now we need CSS file. Again going to the file, clicking on the new. Again I am saving in the same folder, giving a name to it called style.css. So we have created two files here like index and style.css. Coming to index page, and here I am using Emmet plugin which is enabled at the top. So simply I am mentioning exclamation sign, hitting tab. Wow, you can see I have put just exclamation sign and hitting tab and we have got this much. Say for example, if you don't enable this Emmet plugin and you write this much code, then it will totally take 2 or 3 minutes or 1 minute. But by using this Emmet plugin, simply you have to put a one line text and it will be expanded beautifully. Say for example, you need some dummy text. So here mention lorem and the word count. I need 200. So I'll be putting lorem 200, hitting tab. Yep. So Emmet is actually speed up your code. Now you need the ID of the class. Simply put the, say for example, I need ID like container. So I'll be putting has and the ID name called container, hitting tab. You can see it's get expanded. So you don't have to open and close the tag. It will automatically open and close your tag. If you need any class, simply put dot and the class name like here and hit tab. It will get expanded. If you need heading tag, simply press or mention here H1 and hit tab. You can see it is starting and closing as well. So all the time we don't have to mention here opening tag and closing tag. If you need paragraph tag, put P, hit tab. Wow. So naturally it is going to help too much, isn't it? Okay. So right now what we will do, as you can see at the very left side, we have the sidebar containing the logo and menus name. So I'll be creating this. For creating this, we'll use simple HTML5 markup. Then I'll be going for the styling to style it nicely. Okay. Before styling anything, we need two files. First, I'm gonna linking Google font, and also I'll be using some icon CDN link. So let's do. Here we have Google font. Simply search to Google like Google font. Very first link we have Google fonts. Click over it. Now we need Poppins. So simply search here Poppins. Hit enter and we have Poppins right now. Click on it. Now we have all the styles respectively available for this font like Poppins. Here I need light 300. So just click on the select this style. Now click over this, view your selected families. Now we need this file. You can even mention important by clicking on this, get the code, put on the style.css. But here I'm gonna using on the HTML5 markup. That's why I'm gonna copying this CDN link. Just after the title closing tag, I am mentioning it. So we have used here Google font. Now we need icon CDN link. So again I'm going to the Google and here we have icon CDN link. Simply search to Google, okay, and click on this, the premium icon font for Ionic framework. Click on it. Now we have CDN here, okay. Click on this and we'll get CDN link for this icons respectively. Just mention your link inside the hyperreference I am pasting. So we have linked two files. Very first we have linked this Google font, and then we have linked icons link. Now we'll start building the sidebar. Okay. Hi there, welcome back. Friends, do you want to create complete responsive website design from various scripts? If yes, then this course is just perfect for you. In this course, I'm creating the beautiful and real world responsive website design from various scripts, and for creating it we'll use all the modern technologies like HTML5, CSS3, JavaScript, jQuery and so on. So just take a look how the website looks like, then we'll move further. Friends, very first we have the hero area available. At the very center we have animated text, paragraph text and hover button. At the very bottom we have chat messenger available. See, it is fully functional. You can send messages, emoji and everything. At the very top we have some social media available like Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn, Pinterest, Behance, Dribble. At the very left side we have some text available. As you can see, at the very left side we have logo and sidebar available like home, about, services, portfolio, client, contact. If I click on the menu called about, you will see our page is coming like this. It's truly amazing, isn't it? If I click on the services, see, portfolio, client, contact. This is truly amazing. This website containing transition and flipping page effect, which adds more coolness to it. Friends, I think you are really enjoying this website. So I am really looking forward to see you inside. Right now, just enroll it and make a next level responsive website design today.